In a swimming pool, base is having this much length, and the height of the man who is swimming in the pool is 150 over here. The base is given, that means base is length into breadth, and the height of the person who is taking a dip is given. The average displacement of water by the man is this much water have been replaced. So simple thing to understand, whatever will be the volume of the person, that much volume of the water he would have replaced, right? So first of all, simple calculation would be calculate the water volume of the water displaced, volume of the water displaced, volume of the water displaced. Now, volume of the water displaced should be what? We are having over here. We are having over here that 8 meter cube. Average displacement of the water is 8 meter cube. So average over here is 8 meter cube. So what we need to do? So volume of the water displaced, one thing I mentioned it wrong over here, 150 men, the height of the men. 150 men, the number of men who have taken a dip, or I must say who are swimming, are 150. So one man is making a displacement of 8. So total water displacement will be what? 150 into 8. A simple thing to understand. This is 1200 meter cube. This much is the water displaced. This much is the water displaced. So we know the base area. We know the base area is 90 into 40, and this when multiplied with the height of the pool would be there, that will give the total volume, so, or I must say over here that this will additional volume is there, so this much height would have been increased. Understanding the point, the base area was there, and whatever height initially was there, this will be increased by certain height. And how I'm calculating this height? So from this height, the contribution of the volume, whatever the volume is increased, that volume would have been increased by the people. So volume of water displaced by these people is this much, so I'm equating it to this particular volume of the additional height, volume of the created by the additional height. So 1200, equating h over here is 1200 divided by 90 into 40. This comes out to be 33.33 centimeter over here. Option number 4.